this car, this is a 2002 Mercury Sable, and it's got a pretty bad squeaking noise coming from right here, this area, so it's obviously coming from the Serpentine belt or one of the pulleys is going bad. And so I'm just going to show you a couple ways that you can use to figure out what's the problem. So I like to use WD-40, or you can just use like a spray bottle with water, or basically anything. But with like a spray can like this, you can get into the places that you want to get into a lot easier. So basically what you want to do is you want to, first of all, if you spray it on the belt and the squeaking changes or stops, then most likely it's just a belt problem. And you obviously want to check the belt to see if it's ripped or anything. But a lot of times if you spray it right on the belt, like if you'd spray it like here or like down here on the belt, and it stops or changes, then usually your belt's just loose or needs to be retightened, or you need a new belt. But if it's not the belt, which in this case it isn't, then what you want to do is you want to spray like in here. You want to try and get it on the shaft of the pulley, the shaft that the pulley's on, or you want to spray it like here or back in here, because a lot of times the bearings on the pulleys go bad, and that's what causes the squealing if it's one of the pulleys. Or, you know, right here's the water pump, and those go bad too. So what you want to do here is you'd want to get it back in here and try to get it on the shaft back there. Anyway, you basically just want to check all these pulleys, spray it on the front and the back of the pulley where the shaft is. And if the noise changes, then you know that's the problem. So let's start it up, and be warned, it's pretty loud, so you might want to turn your volume down a little bit. Okay, so as you can hear, the car also has a muffler leak. It's got a muffler leak, so that's one thing that you're hearing. But it also has a squeaking noise, and I don't know if you can hear the squeaking, the chirping noise that you can hear. But anyway, you just want to take this or your water bottle and squirt it on the belt. Like right there. I don't know if you could hear the noise go away a little bit. I mean, that basically means that the belt is part of the problem, or the belt, that can be the main problem. I'm going to spray some on this pulley to see if this is the culprit. Right when I sprayed it on here, the sound almost went away completely. So, as you can see, this pulley, it's wobbling back and forth, and that means it's not good, or that means the pulley is bad, and usually the bearings are bad if it's wobbling back and forth like that. And the noise has literally basically gone away completely from spraying it on that idler pulley. So basically, now I know that the idler pulley has bad bearings in it, and it just needs to be changed. But a lot of times it's the belt too. If you spray it right on the belt and it goes away completely, like that did make a difference, but it didn't go away completely from spraying it on the belt. If it goes away completely from spraying it on the belt, then it's usually the belt. But if it doesn't go away completely, then it's usually one of your pulleys. Or you have to check to make sure that your pulleys are aligned right too. But in this case, it's the idler pulley. And so yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and thanks a lot.